For decades we were made to believe that after 60, men should resign themselves. Less desire, weaker erections, less endurance. But the truth is that this narrative is nothing more than a myth fueled by misinformation and a lack of sexual education for mature men. Science has shown time and time again, the male body retains, even at advanced ages, the ability to have firm erections and enjoy a full intimate life. The problem isn't age, it's how we treat our nerves, our circulation, and our mind. And here's the revelation very few people know. There's a point on your body that works like a true switch for male potency. It's not a complex exercise or a miracle remedy, but an anatomically proven zone where key nerve endings and blood vessels for erection are concentrated. What's fascinating is that if you massage it for just 1 minute, you can trigger an immediate reaction in your body that improves blood flow to the penis and boosts your arousal naturally. Yes, even if you're 70 or 80. Picture this clearly. Beneath your scrotum and before the anus, in that small space known as the perineum, lies the true control center of your potency. When you apply firm, steady pressure to that area, you activate the pelvic nerves that connect directly to the prostate and the pelvic floor. The result is a cascade of signals to your brain that release nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels and allowing the penis to fill with blood. Have you heard of nitric oxide? It's the same chemical basis used by the most famous medications for erectile dysfunction. The difference is that here you don't need pills or chemicals. You achieve it with your own body. What's more, this massage doesn't just influence erection firmness. Clinical urology studies indicate it also helps improve ejaculation control because it strengthens the pelvic floor muscles. That means you'll not only have firmer erections, but you'll also be able to last longer without feeling pressured to finish sooner than desired. And here I want you to tell me in the comments, what would you rather regain first? The firmness of your erection or the ability to control the exact moment you finish? Your answer will help many other men who read it and realize they're not alone. Another little mentioned benefit is prostate care. By massaging this area, you stimulate blood flow and the natural drainage of the prostate, which can help reduce inflammation and discomfort in men over 60. Many of my patients tell me that after incorporating this practice they not only feel more potency, but also less pressure when urinating and a general sense of relief in the pelvic area. And now I ask you directly, had you ever imagined that a simple massage could impact your potency, your control, and your prostate health at the same time? The best part is that you don't need anything more than your hands and the willingness to try. No strange devices or costly treatments required. 1 minute of conscious attention in the right place can make the difference between staying resigned or once again experiencing a potency you thought was lost. Think about what it would mean for you to regain confidence when undressing, to surprise your partner with a firm erection, or simply to feel that your body still responds with vitality. Isn't it incredible that so many men miss this opportunity out of ignorance? And here's the most important part. This secret isn't hidden in ancient texts or a superstition without evidence. It's validated by medical studies and explained in men's sexual health manuals. The perineum has been recognized by specialists as a zone with tremendous potential to reactivate erectile function. However, 97% of men have never tried it. That means you're likely part of the majority who still haven't experienced what your own body can give you. That's why I invite you to leave in the comments. Have you already tried stimulating this area, or is this the first time you've heard of it? Now that you know the exact point, here comes the most important part. How to do it correctly so that it actually works. This is not about random movements or superficial massages. What really makes the difference is the technique, the pressure, and the consistency. Start by choosing a calm moment, free of distractions. Lie on your back or sit in a comfortable position and locate the perineum area, right between the scrotum and the anus. Use the tip of 1 or 2 fingers and apply firm but painless pressure. Maintain that pressure steadily for at least 1 minute, making small circular or back and forth movements. What happens in that instant is the perfect combination. You activate the pelvic nerves, stimulate circulation toward the prostate, and trigger a vascular response that promotes erection. With practice, you will notice immediate changes. The penis fills with blood more quickly, the rigidity lasts longer, and the sense of control over ejaculation increases. Many men report that after just a few days of including this massage in their daily routine, they not only regain firmness but also security and confidence. And here I want to ask you directly, would you dare to try it today and then share in the comments what changes you noticed in your body? Your experience might inspire others. There are also variations that intensify the effect. For example, combining the massage with voluntary contractions of the pelvic floor, what we know as Kegel exercises, further enhances the erectile response. Another technique is to apply heat to the area before the massage, using a warm compress, to encourage vasodilation and achieve faster results. Some urologists even recommend combining this stimulation with diaphragmatic breathing. Inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly improves blood flow and oxygenation. Had you ever thought that your breathing could directly influence the quality of your erection? Now let me be clear. This massage is not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. If you smoke, are overweight, or don't exercise, your circulation will be limited and results will take longer. But if you accompany this practice with walking, good hydration, and a diet rich in antioxidants, the changes will be much more noticeable. That's why I want you to tell me, what habit are you willing to change starting today to support this secret and multiply its results? And here's a crucial detail. Don't be afraid of age. I've seen men of 65, 70, and even 80 who, after discovering this massage, regained a vitality they thought was gone forever. This is no coincidence. The perineum is an active point throughout life. It does not shut down with time. Science backs this up, and thousands of men confirm it with their own experience. Remember this: 1 minute can transform your intimacy. And the most powerful thing is that it's not only about physical potency. By regaining confidence in your body, you also regain emotional security and connection with your partner. And that, in the end, is what matters most. Feeling once again in control of your desire and able to give pleasure without fear of failing. So now you know. Massage that point for 1 minute every day, make it part of your routine, and watch how your potency comes back like never before. And if you'd like me to show you in a future video other medical secrets just as effective for maintaining potency at any age, let me know in the comments. Your opinion always matters, because together we're breaking taboos and giving older men back the intimate life they deserve. If you want to take this practice even further, build a simple 10-minute routine around it 3 to 5 times per week. 2 minutes of warm compress, 1 minute of steady perineal pressure with small circles, 1 minute of diaphragmatic breathing, 30 seconds of gentle pelvic floor contractions, on-off. Then repeat that cycle twice and finish with a slow walk or light stretches to keep blood moving. Track how you feel in a small note on your phone. Rate erection firmness, control, and confidence from 1 to 10 so you can actually see progress over days instead of guessing. And if you ever notice sharp pain, numbness, or unusual swelling, ease up and give your body a rest. This is a training habit, not a test of toughness. Consistency beats intensity here. Small, repeatable sessions will do more for your performance than a single heroic effort.